Eagles? Welcome to the October virtual assembly. Today we have some games that we're going to play with some of our fifth graders from Miss Bauman's class. We have a couple competitions today. The first one is throwing the football. It's called football bowling. So you're throwing the football and trying to knock down a pin. The first person that is able to do this is the winner. We have our two fifth graders here. I'll let you guys introduce yourself to all the Eagles that are watching.
Hi, my name is Reed, and I'm in 5B.
My name is Lila, and I'm in Miss Bauman's class.
All right, so we wanted to say hi to everybody, but we are gonna put our masks back on because we want to make sure we're doing the 3 W's. Eagles, our second competition of the day is the hula hoop competition. We have some fifth graders here that are going to join us, and I'm going to try to beat these two fifth graders. Can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Kate from 5B. Hi, I'm Parker from 5B.
All right, so we have Kate from 5B and Parker. We're going to put our masks back on. Make sure we're doing the 3 W's. I will say go. Whoever can keep the hoop up the longest is the winner. Keep going, Kate. Keep going. Let's see how long she can go. Nice job. Wow, look at that. How in the world does she do that? Eagles, she could probably go forever. She's the winner. Eagles, welcome back. October, it's already October. We've been through almost a full month of school, and you guys are doing such a great job. I'm really proud of you. I'm proud of the SOAR that I'm seeing around the building. I can tell your teachers have done a nice job teaching you that. I can see the 3 W's, and the 3 W's are very important this year, right? So continue to do that. Continue to be an Eagle and be a good friend. Remember, we talked about being kind is one of our main things that we want to do to everybody in the building. And then working hard, that's the other thing. Keep it simple, do those things, and your life is going to be pretty awesome if you can just get those 2 things under your belt. Today we are pulling from our Eagle's Nest. There's a lot of classroom SOAR slips in here. I'm going to pull out 4 today. The prizes that you will get will be, you can have games with Mr. Grobel, or you can have a snack and dance party. It's up to your teacher. She or he will schedule a time with me, and then the teacher gets a 30-minute break so that they can get off their feet for a little bit too. So it's a win-win for everybody. So I'm going to dig in here. We're going to pull out 4 winners for the prizes for this month. The first one, Mrs. Brunn's class. You guys are winners. So Miss Brunn's, get a hold of me. We'll schedule a time where you can do games with Mr. Grobel or a dance and snack party in your class. The next tag is, our SOAR slip is Miss Lindy's class. So Miss Lindy, please get a hold of me and schedule that time. And the next one is Miss Crawford's class. Miss Crawford, please get a hold of me and schedule that time. And the last one is Miss Courier's class. So congratulations to all the winners. Continue to do your best and SOAR throughout the building, and let's fill up this Eagles Nest with SOAR slips in the month of October. Thanks, Eagles. Have a great day.
time to get to know Miss Ross. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Mankato.
What's your favorite food?
I'd have to say my favorite food is tacos.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to go fishing and hunting, and I also like to walk my dog.
Thanks.
Now it's Miss Ross here, and I have some questions for Anniston. Anniston, what grade are you in?
Third,
Who's your teacher in third grade?
Miss Rivers.
Let's see, what is your favorite food?
Pizza.
Thank you.
Hey Eagles, it's time for us to stand in our classrooms. We're going to sing our school song together. We have some singing leaders here today. They're going to get us started, but please sing along with them as we go. I'll point to them and they will begin our school song. So please rise in your classrooms on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
We're a